channel. My name is Cameron, and if you're new here, hey boo, and if you're a return subscriber, hey love. I'm back on this vlog and stuff, y'all, and I just want to say, if I sound weird, it's because I have Invisalign on. This is my day, this is my week, no, this is my tray 2 out of 28. So y'all, we about to get our teeth fixed. I can't wait. So I should make a video like Invisalign journey, because y'all know Invisalign works. So y'all think that some people be like, oh, Invisalign don't work. Yes, it do. But yeah, guys, so it is Sunday, and I love Sunday. I just left church, and it was a beautiful service. So me and my boyfriend went to church this morning. We go every Sunday for the most part. So I found this yoga place down the street from me. It's about maybe a 20-minute drive. So I'm about to check that out today, and if I like it, I'm gonna give me a subscription there. But y'all, it started at 11:30 and it's 11:05. So I need to hurry up and do my face routine and get out the door. I can't find my scarf right now. It's somewhere. So I'm gonna have to use this for now. I'm over here putting a wool scarf on my hair. Like, y'all know we're supposed to be using satin. This stuff right here is very this stuff right here is very good if you have oily skin, because I definitely have oily skin. Vitamin C under eye care. This is brightening and tightening for your under eye. I'm definitely into skincare. I love skincare. I love, you know, taking care of yourself. I love all things health and fitness. So y'all know on this channel, that's what we're gonna be getting into: health, fitness, skincare, beauty, all that good stuff. I feel like I sound so weird with Invisalign, so I'm still getting used to it. I read online that your lips are skin, so put sunscreen on your lips. I usually put glue on my eyebrows to make them, like, you know, stay all day long, but I ain't had no time for that this morning, so we done. Little slick back, y'all. Black workout top from SHEIN. These leggings are from Halara, and my Pilates socks are from Amazon. I can link all this in the bio, but y'all, it is so comfortable, and we about to get a bomb workout in. Let's go. So we are now here. So it starts at 11:30 and it's 11:27. So let's go ahead and go in right now. Alright, y'all, so we just got back from the yoga class, and oh my gosh, it was a 10 out of 10 experience, like 100% 10 out of 10 experience. They gave us some, so I'm about to drink the little tea. It's passion fruit, and it looks so good. I do love passion fruit, so it should be nice. It was like a 90s type class, so it was like 90s music. And then the teacher, when we first got in there, the teacher went all around the class, and she was like, I want everyone to tell me what you was doing in the 90s. So there was like, some people was like, oh yeah, I was in college. I was with my ex. I was going crazy. I was doing all that type of stuff. I was in the 90s. That's what got to me. And mind y'all, I was born in 1999. I was like, I was born in 1999, and I'm just here for the vibes. Everybody started cracking up laughing. 99, I don't remember anything from the 90s. It was a 10 out of 10 experience. I'm definitely going to give me a little membership here, and I'll see what other classes they have to offer. Hey y'all, we are back. So that was definitely a time. Like, that was so beautiful. As you guys can see, the studio was beautiful. They gave us tea at the end. They sprayed the scents while we was doing our yoga. Y'all, it was just a vibe. So I'll definitely be giving me a membership there. It is a beautiful day outside today. So today is Sunday, and y'all know football is back. I'm about to go to my boyfriend's house, and he's cooking a whole bunch of food, so I'm ready to eat. He's cooking like food for the game, like sliders, all that good stuff. So I'm gonna go to his house, but before I do that, I want to do a little bit of planning. What's that saying? The saying goes like, if you do not plan, you plan to fail. So I plan a lot of stuff in my life. I plan my workouts, I plan my meal plans, I do all that. Guys, I feel like I talk so weird with this Invisalign on. Like, oh my gosh. I'm looking at my to-do list right now. I want to meal plan. Then I want to sign up for that yoga studio that I just went to. And then after I sign up for the yoga studio I went to, I want to plan my workouts for the rest of the week. So that's what we're going to be doing today. Okay, girls. So if you are on your workout and eating clean and healthy bag, this is what you need. This is a meal plan planner that I got from Amazon. It was like maybe $5 or $6 or maybe $10, and you can plan out what you're going to eat for the week of, blah blah blah. So you have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And the thing that I like the most is that it has a grocery list on the side, so you guys know how you plan what you want to eat, and then you realize, wait, I don't even have that stuff in the house. So they have a grocery list right next to it: dairy, sauces and spices, bread, grains, all that. I go into the office 2 days a week. I work in DC, so sometimes I do not have to go into the office, and this upcoming week is going to be a 100% teleworking week. So that's really good. It makes it easier for me to meal plan. I don't have to worry about, oh, is this food going to rot by the time I get to work? It's going to be warm, it's going to be cold. I can just eat at home. So that is an advantage of working from home. Let's go ahead and fill this out. Like, if you want to consistently eat healthy, you must meal plan. And you guys just seen, it was not that hard. Definitely, if you can, get your Amazon meal planner. Go ahead and plan your meals for the week. Alright guys, so that's exactly how I meal plan for the week. And if you guys want more in-depth of meal planning and meal prepping videos, go ahead and let me know in the comments, because I do it every single week. So I'm going to do it regardless. But if you guys want me to record it, let me know. We have our little list. Now we're gonna go to the store tomorrow. Things like this allows you to have organization in your week. It allows you to be very intentional. If you eat crazy, of course you're gonna feel crazy because of the way you're eating. So little stuff like meal prepping and meal planning, yes, it takes time, but if you're intentional about it, you're definitely gonna reap the benefits of having those meals already pre-planned, pre-made. You don't even have to even think about it. We're gonna plan our workouts. Alright, so we have our days planned out of what we're going to do this week. We have legs, cardio, Pilates, we have yoga, walking, and ab work. So we have it all planned out, y'all. We're going to have a good week coming up. So we have our workouts planned, we have our meal planned. Exactly what I got. So I got these Olipolys. These are actually really good. Like, I'm not even into soda, but this right here, they be on point. So I like these because it's only 3 grams of sugar added, and the flavors I got was strawberry vanilla and cherry vanilla. Then I got breakfast sausages, I was gonna get turkey bacon, but honestly, turkey bacon has like maybe 2 grams of protein. So this has 10 grams of protein. So I chose this over turkey bacon. And then I got the chopped salad. Then I got Oreos, 17 grams protein. This right here, I always be up on this. I put these in my smoothies, and I even make smoothie bowls with these. Then last but not least, I got just a fruit blend. That way I can make my smoothies. And I'm making me a smoothie this morning. So I'm gonna show you guys how I make that. I usually do my Bible study in the morning, but today it was kind of like a rushed morning. I always love to slow it down and get into my word. So I have 40 Days in the Bible by Lisa Tarusk. I don't know if I'm saying it right. I have maybe about, maybe like 3 more weeks left until I'm finished this book. This is my Bible. I got it off of Amazon. It has the tabs so I can go to the pages real quickly. These are like my 2 main things I love to use when I do my Bible study. Is these 2 things, and then of course some pens and pencils.
For your blessings, for your miracles, for your blessings. Ooh. Get ready, get ready, get
Never acted like I'm higher than you. Dear God, won't you send me up to me rather than me running away? Oh, dear God, won't you send me up because I can't get away now.
Okay, y'all, if y'all make the matcha recipe exactly how I just made it, y'all are gonna fall in love. This is like a dessert. I'm not gonna lie. This is giving dessert for me. I got the matcha from Amazon and it was like $10. You can get this from your local Wegmans or somewhere like Target. It definitely will not disappoint you. I promise you.
Baby girl, you are so pretty, 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 pretty. Baby girl, you are so pretty, 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 pretty. Females made you just to trick me, trick me, trick me, trick me. 'Cause baby girl, you are so easy, baby. The only reason that I can do tonight is 'cause I know you were invited. The only reason that this dress is skin tight is 'cause I thought that you would like it. I'm only come for the secret of sights. Because I want you to like that. The only reason I can do tonight is because I really like you. And I can no longer hide it. Want to remember your mind then. The laces that goes over your thighs, just why you just tell me that you feel like I do. Try me kiss it super smooth. Tell me I'm that baby. Tell me you like me.
Why are they cranking this early in the morning, y'all? Good morning, y'all. So it is Tuesday. And I'm on the way to get my blood work done at LabCorp because it's my yearly blood work. So it's just like, you know, testing my vitamins, all that stuff. I'm definitely an advocate person. Like, you know, some people, they take B12, they take vitamin D without even knowing that they need it. So I love to get my blood work done yearly. That way I can take whatever vitamin I'm missing. So far, for the past 2 years, I've been using these vitamins off of Amazon. I can show you guys what it's called. I'm gonna show you guys like a picture. But those vitamins have had all of my vitamins up to par. Like, I used to be deficient in B12 and vitamin D. But I'm taking those vitamins every single day. I do take it every single day. All of my vitamins are way past what I need. So that's really, really good. So I would definitely advise to definitely get your blood work done every single year. See what vitamins you're deficient in. Maybe your doctor's gonna prescribe you that vitamin. So I'm about to go do that. And after that, I also have a 12:30 yoga class today. It's like a midday yoga flow, so that should be a vibe. It should be real cool. And then at the end of the day, I'm on like 4 or 5. Me and my boyfriend, we love to go to a park and we go on a run. So it should be a real fun day, real chill day. I like to stay active, but you know, every single day doesn't have to be going to the gym and like, you know, putting that work in. It really doesn't. So that's what we're gonna do today. Since I am getting my blood work done, I'm keeping everything chill. So, but after I get my blood work done, y'all, we going to Dunkin' Donuts. I love me some Dunkin' Donuts. First of all, y'all. Dunkin' Donuts has better matcha than Starbucks. Can we just talk about that? Like, it definitely does. So I'm definitely getting me some matcha from Dunkin' Donuts. And I like the little egg bites. Okay, y'all, so I'm done getting my blood work. And I'm so grateful because they was like, oh, this location is only appointment based, so you have to have an appointment to get your blood work done. But she was like, I'll just take you though. And I'm like, please, I ain't trying to come back. But I'm gonna go to Starbucks. I mean, not Starbucks, Dunkin' Donuts. I already ordered my order online. Hi, order for Cameron.
What's the name?
Cameron.
At the window.
I ordered me a medium matcha and 2 egg bites. So that's gonna be my breakfast to replenish all the blood that was taken from me. Thank you. You too. Okay, y'all. We about to take our first sip real quick because I just want to, just a little sip. Just a little sip. Not too much. Not too much. Just one little sip. Okay. The reason why I like that one is because it's not crazy sugary. 10 out of 10. That's so good. Please try them. I'll eat the rest when I get home.